Hey guys, hope you enjoyed your long weekend, had a good Valentine's Day, and are ready to get back at it. So, this week is only a 4-day week, so I only have two lessons for you. You're going to do dividing radicals and radical equations. Just a couple of little reminders. One, in order to be counted present for my class, you must log into my course in its learning. That doesn't mean just into its learning. You have to log into my actual Honors Algebra 2 class in your It's Learning to be considered present. And then remember on Go Formatives, first of all, I lock them at 4:30 on Fridays. That gives you, even if you started it right at 4, that actually gives you 30 minutes to get it finished. After that, it's considered late. Okay, so you need to make sure you're completing your work by Fridays at 4. And also on Go Formatives, there is always a little bit of, sometimes you guys put a space and I didn't, or sometimes you write it just a little bit funny, but it still is correct. So I look through every one of your responses to give you credit where I can. And remember, if it has a show your work, then you have to show your work. If you don't, I'm going to start taking off points. So instead of getting full credit, even if it's completely correct, I'm going to take off points if you don't show your work. Okay. This is for your benefit so that when it comes test time, your constructed response is as good as your edge test is. Okay. So just kind of make sure of those two things. We have these two lessons, and then next week you're going to be looking at graphing radical functions, and you have an extra activity to do in Desmos that's not in Edge, so make sure you're checking It's Learning for that. And then your review in Delta Math, as always. Your tests will be open Monday, March 1st through Wednesday, March 3rd. So just to kind of give you a timeline as to how things are going. As always, if you have questions or concerns, please feel free to email me or pop into my office hours. This week, my office hours are Tuesday and Thursday at 2:30. All right, have a good week.